Good morning everyone. In last period we complete two Newton's law of motion, two laws. Now we complete third law. Only conservation of momentum remain. So third law, what it state, we see with respect to the activity they gave you. Let's try this Newton's third law of motion in from the first lesson. First we discuss the activities and what is the answer. These answers are related to the laws, so you can clearly get the law and their statement. So what is the activities? First, use your brain power. They gave you why there is a thick bed of sand for a high jumper to fall on after he jump. Everyone see that jump and thus play. What is the need of that sand? What is the need of that sand for the jumper? They ask you thick bed of sand for high jumper to fall on that sand. What is the reason behind that? The force. The jumper acts with the force on that. So don't harm to that jumper. The sand bed, the thick sand bed required. So force can apply through the sand also and through the body also. So equal and opposite forces will be there. Then net force is equal to 0. The jumper cannot have any any injury. So thick bed will be there. Then third law they gave you. Let's try this. Two questions they gave you. Which are they? We discuss first. Take a plastic boat and make a hole at its rear end. Plastic boat they gave you. They say you take a plastic boat and make a hole and saw it. What happened? Boat cannot float on water. Why? Because we make the hole in the boat, or somehow at minimum 10 minutes it will be float, and after that it will be sink in the water. Why? Because it made by plastic, it will be float. But when from the hole which we make in that boat, from the hole the water comes out, the boat completely collapse. So second question, inflate a balloon and fix it on the hole in the boat. Release the boat in water. What happens to the boat as the air in the balloon escapes slowly and why? As it is, we can move it in the water. What happens? Minimum 4 seconds or 5 seconds it will be float and hole will be there, so it comes into the water, it sinks. But what the second question they gave you can fix the balloon to the hole. Okay, what happened then? Because of the balloon, the boat can carry it out. The boat can float because we can tie the balloon to the hole. Balloon means what? Air. So because of the balloon air pressure, the boat can move on the water. So what is the reason behind that? Equal and opposite forces can apply. So boat can move. So what is it? Equal and opposite forces means what? So we can get it in nature. You know, everyone know forces are present, but in nature force cannot alone. Means gravitational force present everywhere. You know that gravitational force is present, but what they said, in nature force is not alone. Means only gravitational force is only present? No, with that other forces are also present. Which are they? Which are present in our body. Means equal and opposite forces are present. So we are here. Apples falls down. Newton's, what he is getting? Gravitational force. Apples falls down towards the earth. It falls towards the earth. Why? Because earth attracts the apple. But only earth can attract the apple? No. Apple also attracts the earth, but that force we cannot see. What we see only? The earth attracts the apple, but apple also attracts the earth. So these are the two forces. Second, what is the point? Second point. They are not in alone. Always they are in pairs. Okay, don't forget. Forces are not alone. They are always in pairs. I gave you example Newton's gravitational law. Apples attract the earth, but apple also attracts the earth. Earth also attracts the apple. So forces are not single. They are in the pairs. Then third point, the forces between two objects are equal and opposites. Number of objects are present on the earth, so these objects have with the forces, they apply these forces with one another. And I gave you one example, tug of war. Tug of war, that game, you know, when equal components are there, 5, then what happens with tug of war? The center is don't move, they will be as it is, because two forces apply same. That two forces can apply same, so they cannot move, the center cannot move. So forces are equal. But when one side force will be less, then again in first side it will be more. Forces are applying, but effects we can see at the first side because force is more. The next point, what is it? Like apple and the earth. Only we can see the earth attract the apple, but second force we can see apple also attracts the earth. Like that, tug of war, when we see, when more components are present or more forces applied, we see the effect. At that side, opposite side, force is less, so that effect we can see, they falls down. Then the force applied by first object, what we can say it? It is called action force. Action force and what? Reaction force. Action and reaction force means what? First object is applied action force, and opposite to that second object is applied force. That force is called reaction force. So with these points we can state the law. What is the law? Read it carefully. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force which acts simultaneously. Means equal and opposite force acts together, but how? They can act simultaneously, like tug of war game. They can apply simultaneously. When one side only can use it, no, second side also can pull this. Means two sides pull at proper timing, at same timing, then only we can see the effect. So that concept can, or that game can consider with this third law of motion. So as it is, you can write that law. Don't change the words, or you can don't interfere your words in that statement. So as it is, you can write the law. What is the law? I will read it again. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force which acts simultaneously. At that time, means equal and opposite actions are important. Action force and reaction force means action only continues and reaction cannot. No, action also and reaction also at same points will be important. So here we finish it, and law of conservation of movement will be there, but that law of conservation is more, you can read it. I will explain you in next lecture. It is a one total theory, so you can do it only in your home. Read it properly, and here we stop it because conservation of movement now it will be not complete. In next period we can continue it.